Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 6 geography second chapter and the last part, that is about global warming. Again I am repeating, now I am conducting class 6 geography second chapter and the last topic, very important topic, that is about global warming. Now I would like to ask you that what is global warming? Yes, I know all of you know about this, that what is global warming. Yes, the continuous increasing of the temperature. Continuous increasing of the temperature of the atmosphere, that is known as global warming. If you consider, if you learn your book, you will know that continuously our earth atmosphere temperature is increasing, and day by day increasing of temperature, that is one of the major cause for global warming. And what are the causes for this global warming? The most important cause is what? The most important cause is that the continuous uses of the CFC elements, okay, which are containing CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon, continuously using of such kinds of things. Secondly, that day by day we are nowadays the continuously increasing level of the pollution, air pollution. The pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, methane oxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, all these are the pollutants which affects our atmosphere. Ultimately, as we learned last class, that the ozone layer continuously day by day depletion of ozone layer continuously taking place. Ultimately, the ozone hole created, and as the ozone hole created, the ultraviolet ray or the emission of the continuously getting inside that small wavelength, the alpha ray, gamma ray, all these kinds of small wavelength rays continuously getting inside of our earth. And as a result, what happened? The temperature of the atmosphere continuously getting high. So what should we do? How should we prevent? Yes, that is few things we can do by us. What can we do? We can at least use like bicycles instead of using these motor bikes. For the small distance we can walk. It is good for our health, a good exercise that will make us fit. Secondly, it will helpful for the atmosphere. Even if you nowadays we all know that we are in a shutdown, we all in a nowadays we are not using any kinds of motorbikes, very few level of using cars, motorbikes, like that. If you see that today, each day the pollution level of the city, you see from before like 1 month or before like 2 months, if you tally, you can see that continuously the rate of pollution is very low in level. Why? Because now we all are in a home, okay, we all are now at home, lesser using of the transportation. Actually no transportation nowadays we are using, we all are at the home because of this corona pandemic. And as for this corona pandemic, we all are stay at home, lesser uses of these motorbikes and motorbikes, cars, buses. Ultimately pollution level getting very low level of pollution level in the atmosphere. Pollutants are present in the atmosphere. So I am not supporting that we all do like that. When we all want to come back in our normal life, yes, definitely. But few things this pandemic also give us lesson. What? Nowadays for the short distance, in a very emergency, if we come out, if for very emergency if we come out, we used to walk. If for very emergency, if you go to that you have to go to the medicine shop, you have to go by walk. Like that, if we practice this habit for the next days, then we can, or our earth can save, we can save our earth from this global warming alarm. That is not a very good alarm for the earth. And what are the result of this? Definitely meltation of the icebergs in Antarctica. We can see that the marine life is in a danger, that is in a question mark. Secondly, continuously many species, many animal species, many plant species that are in a question mark. Evidences are now in a question mark. Growing level of infertility, skin diseases, skin cancers, all these are the dreadful effects of the global warming. So, I would like to inform that it is our duty to keep our earth green. We must plant at least one or two trees in a yard nearby of our house. That can we do. We can use that bicycles instead of using motorbikes. We can do these things. We can do these kinds of things. Pollutants should be in a lesser level in the atmosphere. Then only can we can save our earth from this kind of dreadful challenges. So global warming, its cause and effects, I hope you understood. Again, I want to recapitulate what is global warming: the continuous increase of the temperature of our earth in the atmosphere. Why? What are the causes? Causes generally very sure that the increased level of pollution, continuously depletion of the ozone layer, continuously increasing level of the pollutant in the atmosphere. All these are the dreadful causes. What are the effects? Effects are very dangerous. Definitely infertility. Secondly, skin disease, skin cancers. Then what another effects we can see: the meltation of the icebergs. And most important thing, that if continuously the meltation of icebergs causes the higher level of water, especially in the coastal region. Okay, continuously meltation of water, that means sea level will arise, sea level will increase its height. Ultimately, all the coastal region will be under the sea. That is a very dangerous challenge for all of us. Okay, so then that time our existence will be in a question mark. So we should be very careful. Now you will learn all these things from your book. Next class, I will discuss about the question answers. We have complete our lesson. If you have any doubt, write down, go to the dpsj help desk at gmail.com. You will go there, and there you will note down like dear Mom, and you can send me your any query. You will comment over there. Again, I am repeating, you will comment at the dpsj help desk at gmail.com. If you have any doubt, any query, ask me over there. Okay, stay tuned. Bye bye and be safe.